Alright guys, today's a big day. 200 subscriber special. I know 200 may not seem like a lot to most of you, but I want you to look in your house or in your room and go, imagine 200 Caleb's in there. Yeah, it'll turn out like fucking like this. Today we're doing this barbecue. Got some packs to open, but that's for later. And we got the bomb shooter 10, the Forgotten. Can't believe forgot a pan. We brought a wok, but woks don't work.
Yeah, it does.
So I've never fucking done this before. I'm about to buy a pan from fucking Safeway. Can you believe this? In this part of the video, I am really bad about recording my stuff that I do, and I got some clips ready, but things got a little weird. We fucking took 10 minutes to open the goddamn knife. You got this.
Zip tied.
Open it. You got this. Setting up the grill. Paid $50 for this. Hopefully it works. Got some seasonings. Honey. Hell yeah.
On the bottom. Yeah.
You don't have to do it till you strip it. That's how you strip it, bruh.
Oh. What?
That's how you ruin it. When you turn it as hard as you can, so you ruin it. Ruin it.
Whatever. Hating.
Hating, I am. Sorry.
Alright, it's ready. That's this, huh?
Huh?
Let me see real quick. Oh.
So, is this inspiring your career?
Yes.
200. Congrats on 200. Oh yeah, second best. Looking better than the first one. Yeah, we definitely gotta let that broccoli cook a while too. Living the good life, guys. Woo! It's almost like we've been out here for almost 2 hours. Woo! Oh. Still a bunch of meat left, so we're just not gonna cook it. They can take it home. We got enough in that pot right there. I'm gonna cook the rice though. Stir fry it. Open a pack till I get an SIR. Opened it like butter, so you know it's a good pack. Psychic.
Should have guessed fire.
Fire, gouging fire. That's because Mankey, a Zibriska, a Murrill, a Reller, whoops, a Magnazone, a Goldango, Duskball, whoops, Torch, no,
Jack.
shit.
Is that the last pack?
No, we're doing one more.
One more.
It's a double
do.
It's a double guy today.
Opening a pack until he gets an SAR.
Opening a pack till I get a Raging Fire.
Another
SIR.
fire.
See, I get that Raging Fire. That was my guess energy. Wattsrill. Excadrill. A Quaxwell. A Morel. A what? Morillo?
Mike, there's
A Flapple. Annihilate. Jasmine's Gaze. I got that. Oh no. Dead Pack. Miracle Headset and a Diglett and a Coffin.
Game over.
Over, guys.